What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find out who unfollowed you on Instagram. Begin by launching the Instagram app on your phone. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the icon in the bottom right corner. Here, you'll find the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on them to open a slide-up menu. Here, among the options, you'll spot your activity. Scroll down and choose Download your information. On this page, select Download or Transfer information. Choose your profile, then tap on Some of your information. Now, you'll have to scroll all the way down to find Followers and Followings under Connections. Tap on Next when done and select Download to Device. Now, you'll choose the format and time range for your download. Keeping it in HTML format is like choosing a well-organized library over a room full of scattered pages. It's easier to find what you need. Opting for the all-time range ensures no stone is left unturned in your follower history. After submitting your request, you need to wait until Instagram compiles your data and sends it to the email associated with your account as well as your mobile phone. With that said, we now move on to our desktop. Once the email is received, you'll need to download the zip file containing your Instagram data. Extract the file to reveal its contents and open the HTML file. Here, our focus will be on followers and following lists. While on your web browser, head to comparetolists.com. Copy and paste your follower and following list into their respective fields on the website. For instance, put all your followers in list A and all your followings in list B. When done, click on Compare Lists. On the results page, download the Only in Lists B result. This list contains the people who don't follow you back on Instagram. Also, if you did this the other way around, then make sure to download the Only in Lists A results to get the list of people who don't follow you back on Instagram. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.